Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Kuom jod bura mawuok Masawa mar piny Kenya oseyo yo mane mochuoggo board mar kambi mochung'ne keyo pie gwengego kod county ma Nairobi. Athi Water Works Development Agency kagikoni okodeo dwach oganda mawuok Masawa ahinya Murang'a ma bende mantiere kod yawo maduong' makonye keyo pie gwenge ma Nairobi.
Kotenegi kod jaod bura magatanga Edward Muirui, jod burago koni kambi keyo pie ma Athi osebagogi e keyo pie ne oganda makono kendo koro ok gibiling ka oganda jo Murang'a chandore ne pie to gin ema gikonyo gwenge mamoko gi pie.
Today, not a single drop have ever been given to the people of Gatanga, and yet is in the heart of Gatanga constituency. And as a result of this disorganization and mismanagement of Athi Water, there were planned that we get allocated, Gatanga be allocated 10,000 cubic liters. But that project is delayed, and is on that background we are saying we need to have a board which is legally representing the people of Gatanga, representing the people from the Murang'a Basin. As Murang'a residents, we must guard and protect our water jealously, because this is a water agency that has been given purpose that we agreed with the previous government that we will distribute water to Murang'a as they complete the Northern Corrector Tunnel. Therefore, they are continuing with their project to bring water to Nairobi. There are other projects that they are doing for Nairobi in their master plan, like the issue of sewerage, but they did not consider even a cent. A project of 26 billion, there was nothing to do with Murang'a.